We're known for selling a lot of new and used and brokerage motorboats all across Europe. And for a lot of people, that's exactly what they're looking for. That level of quality and luxury, and of course, our service. But maybe we haven't got what you want. Maybe you're looking for something a bit bigger, a bit more specialised, a bit more niche. And that's where our new personal shopping service comes in. Now, I'm not going to be carrying your bags around Harvey Nicks, but I am going to save you bags of cash. As some of you know, I've been in the boating world for an awful long time. You can tell by the colour of my hair. In that time, I've built relationships with all the biggest builders and the best dealers and brokers all around the world. And what that means for you is that I will negotiate the very best possible deal with the very least hassle for you. So if you're looking to buy a boat anywhere from 1 million to 20 million and want the personal touch, then go to our website, boats.co.uk, and click the personal shopper button or get in contact and we will start the work. By the way, have you ever seen a boat with an electric rear curtain? Look at that. You have got to laugh, haven't you? Love it.